Let's talk about Virat Kohli. The Virat Kohli is one of the best batsmen of the world. There is no field that Virat Kohli is played like a champion. If I'm just talking about Test, if I'm talking about ODI, if I'm talking about T20, in all three formats, Virat Kohli is played like a lion. I think only few players can compete with Virat Kohli in any field. There's no doubt about his technique. There's no doubt about his batting style. Playing, he's as well playing is one of the best players in the world. Yeah, definitely, I would appreciate that his technique, his skills in all formats. He's one of the best players. He contributed a lot of things to Indian cricket team. He has been champion in all formats there. I think he's very close to break the records of Sachin Tendulkar. There's no doubt about his batting style. That's Yes, of course. That's the Virat Kohli faced lots of problems from his early age. That he lost his father, and in early age that was trouble time for him. His mother told him that when he lost his father, that he was not thinking about coming back to play on the field to play as a match is there. But his coach and his mother appreciated him has played like a great player, and in spite of being the bad happened at his home that he played वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर विराट कोहली वाकई में एक बहुत अच्छा खिलाड़ी है उनके लिए। मैं यही कहूँगा कि जैसे कि अगर कहते हैं कि सदियों में कोई ऐसा खिलाड़ी आकर मिलता है जैसे विराट कोहली हैं, और बहुत कम ऐसे खिलाड़ी होंगे जो उनका मुकाबला कर सकते हैं। वो चैंपियन हैं क्योंकि चैंपियनशिप उनके अंदर है। बिकॉज ऑफ आपने देखा होगा कि जब वो छोटी सी एज के थे तब उनके पापा चले गए, और उसके चलते हुए भी उन्होंने अपने फील्ड पे बहुत बेहतर परफॉर्मेंस किया। उन्होंने मैचेस को देखा, अपने चांस को देखा, और वहाँ पर उन्होंने ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस किया दैट्स आज वो टीम इंडिया में है। सो आई वॉन्ट टू से अगेन द सेकेंड प्लेयर, अगर मैं दूसरे प्लेयर की बात करूँ तो रोनाल्डो, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। रोनाल्डो दैट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इन फुटबॉल हिस्ट्री। Ronaldo, he has been 38 and 39. That's if you look at his physique, I think his physics very strong. They say he's looking like 24-year old boy. That's यानी 38 और 39 के होने के बावजूद भी वो आज 24 के दिखते हैं। तो उनकी उनकी मेहनत, उनकी लगन जहाँ भी जाते हैं, you know, he played like a great player. Both players are very important for this world. That's both player one of my best players that's both player। दोनों खिलाड़ी मेरे बेस्ट हैं क्योंकि इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, क्योंकि उनकी उनकी बैटिंग, उनके लाइफस्टाइल और उनके अगर हम देखें तो